Today on Wicked Good Eats, we're going to make some nice applewood smoked bacon. Oh, it's delicious. Doesn't take too long. Not a lot of ingredients. So basically, start out with a nice piece of pork belly. It's about 4 pounds. Got it at my friends at Rhode Island Beef and Veal. You can see this is meat side, what the side of the pork belly looks like, and then the skin side. I'll show you what we do with that. Need some applewood chips, some salt, some pepper, and some apple juice. The apple juice you're going to put in your hydrating pan in the smoker. What happens is as that apple juice incorporates into the smoke, this pork belly is going to blow up, so it's going to get probably about twice as thick as what you see right now. I'll show you what that looks like later. You're going to want a very sharp knife, so I get this nice sharp knife, and if you got a steel, keep that handy so you can go in and sharpen it up. And what we're going to do is I'm going to go in and just score the skin, and you can feel it when it breaks the skin. You don't want to go down too deep. You want just be able to go through and break the skin, and then go in and start your next cut about the thickness that you like your bacon. You can do it long ways, this way or this way. Alright, so we've gone in and we've scored the pork belly. You can see those nice lines in there, and this is got two uses for scoring. One is you'll be able to rub the salt and get it in those cracks all through the pork belly, and then later on when it blows up you're going to have nice lines to go slice your meat. Okay, so got over here is our salt, and we're just going to drizzle some on there. This is the initial drizzle. Salt on this side only, and you can just start rubbing it in, get it in those cracks, and probably going to do this a couple of times so I get it all in there nice. And what that does is it allows the salt to permeate down into the pork belly. Some people like to brine it. I don't, because I want it to hydrate from the apple juice. So if it's already pre-hydrated with the salt, what you end up with is a more salty bacon. And maybe you might like that, but I really want it to hydrate with the apple juice, because that's going to be in the pan and it's going to steam. And of course steam and smoke go really good together because it makes more smoke. And as it absorbs it, it's getting the smoky flavor plus the, naturally absorbing the salt and the apple juice. And you'll smell it when that apple juice starts steaming. About 3 rubs will do it. Okay, now that we got this skin side nice and salted up in the cracks, we're going to flip it over. Okay, and we're going to just add some salt to this side. Not a lot, because this is going to be the bottom side, but it's just more for flavor than anything. So just give that a nice sprinkle of salt, and I like a little black pepper. This is optional. Really don't use a lot, just a little bit. A little bit of black pepper doesn't hurt anything. And we can just pat that in. Okay. Give it another flip. And I'll show you what that looks like. Nice and scored up. You can see the salt's in between. That's going to permeate down into the pork belly. Nice. Now we'll get the smoker ready. Okay, so we got the smoker set about 200 degrees. And that's 4 pounds. So usually I go 4 to 5 hours. Somewhere, about an hour over, 1 hour over the total pounds. So 4 pounds, we're going to go 4 to 5 hours. Set at 200. So the first 4 hours will be about 200 degrees, and then the last half hour will be 225. Got the applewood chips going in there, and you can see that's smoking up already. I got the apple juice, 1 bottle, and then later on halfway through, I'll keep checking about a couple of hours. Skin side up. Okay, pop it in there, lock it, and we'll come back and check it in an hour, see how it's doing. Sometimes you need a smoker monitor, so Wolfie patiently waiting. He keeps track of the smoker, lets me know when it needs chips. So we'll check on this, see how it's doing. Oh yeah, you can see how that's smoking up real nice. Alright, it's been another hour, so we'll see what this looking like. Oh yeah, nice smoke. You see that starting to puff up, get thicker. We got enough apple juice in there, that's good. I added a little more, and we'll check it in another hour. Alright, we're down to the last hour, so we jacked it up to 225. Give you a look at what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. It's been 5 hours, so we'll take her out. Ooh, mama. Look at that nice pork belly. Nice and smoked, nice and hydrated. Check that out. So we got it inside, and you can see how thick that's blown up. So it's hydrated. It does shrink a little bit in the overall length and width. But now it's just come out, so I'm just going to put some foil over it, let it settle. So we've let it just get down to room temperature, and I've gone in and sliced up some of these nice strips of bacon, and you can see how nice that looks. And as you cut them where you scored them, you just take off the pieces of skin because they tend to be pretty hard. And you get these nice strips of bacon. So we're going to go fry up a couple in the pan. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, nothing like the smell of fresh bacon cooking. Alright, so you can see how those cook up nice in the fry pan. And we got a little plate over here, we're letting them cool off. And we're going to make some BLTs and give Wolfie a treat. Okay, we got some of that bacon for Wolfie. Let's see if he likes it. Sit. Sit. There you go. Oh yeah, Wolfie's digging the bacon. It's a winner. Like that, Wolfie? Oh yeah, he's looking for more. Let me know how you make out, everybody.